communities in need. It is a way of giving back to our society and making a positive impact on the lives of others.
Now let's begin our annual function. We hope you find our presentation as enjoyable and inspiring as we did in creating them. Let's have a wonderful time together.
Now please stand up and take your positions. Put your right hand on your left shoulder and get ready for the pledge. Oh God, I offer you, my studies, thoughts, words, and actions of this day. Enlighten my mind, strengthen my memory, and guide me to do what's right. Amen. The happiness of your life depends upon the quality of your thoughts. So now I would like to invite Gurvani to make our day with an inspirational thought. Helping one person might not change the whole world, but it could change the world for one person. I repeat my thought. Helping one person might not change the whole world, but it could change the world for one person. Thank you. Poetry lifts the weight from the hidden beauty of the world. So now we are going to recite an English poem. If you cannot on the ocean sail among the distant sea, rocking on the highest billow, laughing at the storms you meet, you can stand among the sailor and connect within the wave. You can lend a hand to help them as they launch their boat away. If you are too weak to journey up the mountain steep and high, you can stand within the valley while the multitudes go by. You can chant in a happy measure as they slowly pass along. Though they may forget the singer, they will not forget the song. They will not forget the song. Thank you.
कविता जीवन का दर्शन है जो हमें दुनिया को नए नजरिए से देखने का मौका देती है। इन्हीं शब्दों के साथ आज हमारी कक्षा के सभी विद्यार्थी आपके समक्ष एक हिंदी कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रहे हैं।
चिड़ियों से है उड़ना सीखा, तितली से इटलाना, भंवरों की गुंजन से सीखा रात मधुर गाना। तेज लिया सूरज से हमने शांत शीतल छाया, टिम-टिम करते तारों की हम समझ गए समाया। सागर ने सिखलाई हमको गहरी सोच की धारा, ऊंचे पर्वत से सीखा वो ऊंचा लक्ष्य हमारा। समय की टिक-टिक ने समझाया सदा ही चलते रहना, मुश्किल कितनी आन पड़े पर कभी न धीरज खोना। प्रकृति के बंधन में है सुंदर समेत समाया, ईश्वर ने इसके द्वारा जो अपना रूप दिखाया। धन्यवाद।
Everyone can be great because everyone can serve. You must be the change you wish to see in the world. Now some students of our class are going to take part in a group discussion based on social service.
Social service is the act of helping others in need without expecting anything in return. It is a selfless act that aims to improve the well-being of individuals and communities. By coming together to help those in need, individuals can build stronger relationships and create a more caring society.
It is a way of giving back to society and making a positive impact on the lives of others.
One of the primary goals of social service is to empower individuals and families to overcome challenges and improve their quality of life. Every act of kindness, no matter how small, makes a big difference in someone's life. Even a small act like saying please and thank you are part of being helpful.
Social service is also
about of sharing, but we have to make life easy for all. Helping others make us feel good and build strong friendship.
There are many ways to do social service. We can brighten the days of elderly residents by spending time with them, playing games or even just performing music or dance. We can clean our parks and gardens by picking up garbage lying around and throwing them in dustbins. We can like thank you note to firefighters, police officers and other community helpers. This instills respect and gratitude. We can also use our creativity to make and sell items with the earning going to a charity. This helps in learning the value of giving back. Items we no longer need can be collected and donated to those who need them. This helps in understanding the importance of sharing and reducing. We can organize food drives and distributing collected items to food banks or shelter. We can help our elders in household chores and keeping our things at proper place.
We can give water and food to stray animals and birds. We can donate our old books to the library so that the children who cannot buy books can use them.
We can plant trees in our surroundings. This not only beautifies the area but also teaches the importance of nature. We can be a friend to new student or helping our classmate who are struggling in doing their homework. We can make tarts or care packages for hospital patients or soldiers. These can provide comfort and show appreciation. We can encourage our family members to join in social service activities or charity events. This makes our social service fun and regular part of a family life. These activities not only contribute to social services but also help children develop empathy, responsibility and a sense of community. In conclusion, social service is an essential feature of creating a more compassionate society. By lending a helping hand to those in need, we can make a positive world around us. Thank you. When action meets compassion, lives change. Here come some students of our class to present a skit on the related topic.
Welcome everyone. Today we are going to learn about the importance of social service with our friends, the superhero social service squad.
Hi everyone, I am Super Sam and I am helpful Hannah. We use our superpowers to help people in our community. But you don't need superpowers to make a big difference. Anyone can be a hero by helping others.
Scene 1.
One day while walking through the neighborhood, Sam and Hannah saw someone who needed their help.
Oh dear, these bags are so heavy. I don't know how will I get them home.
Don't worry, Auntie. We can help you carry your groceries. It's always fun to help our elders. They have done so much for us.
Thank you so much. You are my heroes.
Scene 2.
As they continued their walk, they met someone else who needed their help.
Oh, I am so hungry and cold. I don't know where to go.
We can help you. Let's find you a warm meal and a place to stay. It's important to take care for everyone in our community, especially those who are struggling.
Thank you, Sam and Hannah. You are true heroes.
Scene 3.
Next, they saw their friend, deciding Rachel, doing something great for the planet. Hi Sam, hi Anna, I am cleaning up the park to keep our environment healthy. That's awesome, Rachel. Caring for the environment is also part of social service. Everyone can help by recycling and keeping our community clean. Scene 4.
Then they met Green Gracie, who was busy planting trees.
Hi Sam, hi Anna, I
climate change.
Sam, Hannah, Rachel and Gracie realized that everyone can be a hero in their own way.
Whether it's helping an elder, providing shelter to the homeless, protecting the environment, or planting trees, every act of kindness counts. So remember, you don't need a cape to be a hero, just a kind heart and a willingness to help. We are the social service squad. Helping others makes us proud. We will spread kindness every day in every possible way. Thank you for joining us. Let's all go out and make our community a better place.
Together, we can make a big difference.
Thank you. Music is the soul to the universe, wings to the mind, flight to imagination and life to everything. Now some students of our class are going to present a Hindi song. किसी की मुस्कुराहटों पे हो निशान, किसी का दर्द मिल सके तो ले उधार, किसी के वास्ते हो तेरे दिल में प्यार, जीना इसी का नाम है। मुस्कुराहटों पे हो निशान, किसी का दर्द मिल सके तो ले उधार, किसी के वास्ते हो तेरे दिल में प्यार, जीना इसी का नाम है। माना अपनी जेब से फकीर हैं, फिर भी यारों दिल के हम अमीर हैं। माना अपनी जेब से फकीर हैं, फिर भी यारों दिल के हम अमीर हैं। मिले जो प्यार के लिए वो जिंदगी, चले बाहर के लिए वो जिंदगी, किसी को हो ना हो हमें तो एतबार, जीना इसी का नाम है। किसी की मुस्कुराहटों पे हो निशान, किसी का दर्द मिल सके तो ले उधार, किसी के वास्ते हो तेरे दिल में प्यार, जीना इसी का नाम है। जीना इसी का नाम है, जीना इसी का नाम है। धन्यवाद। Music is a word within itself, with a language we all understand. Now some students of our class are going to present an English song. Be a light, be a star, be a candle in the dark. You can shine like a city on a hill. Give your hand, give your heart, give the very best you are. Be the salt of the earth if you will. You can help and inspire somebody you know. Share your light and go wherever you go. For all can be blessed and bright when you choose to be a light.
सुनरी सखी मेरी प्यारी सखी, ये दिल कहीं खोया है मेरा, जाने कहाँ इसे भूल गया, नहीं कुछ भी है मुझको पता। तेरी पायल में मैंने ढूंढ लिया तेरे कदमों तले सजनी, प्यार किया तो जान गया ये मुश्किल है कितनी, मेरी सांसों में तेरा प्यार बसा, आँखों में तुम्ही सजनी। सुनरी सखी मेरी प्यारी सखी, ये दिल कहीं खोया है मेरा। कैसे तुझे इजहार करूं मैं हालत इस दिल की, तन में मन में इस धड़कन में हो रही हलचल सी, देखे बिना तुझे लगती है युग सी एक घड़ी, सब नजरें जो देख रही मेरे दिल में दहशत सी, ये स्वर्ग है या नरक है मुझको होश नहीं, मेरी जिंदगी और मौत है अब हाथ में तेरे ही। सुनरी सखी मेरी प्यारी सखी, ये दिल कहीं खोया है मेरा। तुझे गीत सुनाऊं मैं, नागमणि तेरी नागिन सी जुल्फों को सवारूं मैं, चंद्रमुखी तुझे नींद नहीं तो लोरी सुनाऊं मैं, ठंडी हवा नहीं लग जाए तुझे चुनरी उड़ाऊं मैं, मेरे प्यार की जो बात है कानों में बताऊं मैं, तेरे कदमों के जो निशान है यादों में बसाऊं मैं। सुनरी सखी मेरी प्यारी सखी, ये दिल कहीं खोया है मेरा।
This is a piece of art that goes into the ear straight to the heart. Now, Jagarwala of our class will give an instrumental performance.
हवा मिल के छुड़ा सारे। आ जाओ पतंग लेके अपने ही रंग लेके आसमां का शामियाना आज हमें है सजाना। क्यों इस कदर हैरान तो मौसम का है मेहमान तो। ओ दुनिया सजी तेरे लिए खुद को जरा पहचान तू। तू धूप है छम से बिखर, तू है नदी में खबर, बह चल कहीं उड़ चल कहीं, दिल खुश जहां तेरी तो मंजिल है वही। बासी जिंदगी उदासी ताजी हंसने को राजी गर्म गर्म सारी अभी अभी है उतारी। जिंदगी तो है बताशा मीठी मीठी सी है आशा, चक ले रख ले हथेली से ढक ले इसे। तुझ में अगर प्यास है बारिश का घर भी पास है। रोके तुझे कोई क्यों भला, संग संग तेरे आकाश है। तू धूप है छम से बिखर, तू है नदी में खबर, बह चल कहीं उड़ चल कहीं, दिल खुश जहां तेरी तो मंजिल है वही। कसके जूता कसके बेल्ट, हाउस के अंदर अपनी शर्ट, मंजिल को चली सवारी, कंधों पे जिम्मेदारी। हाथ में फायर मन में दम, मीलों मील चलेंगे हम, हर मुश्किल से टकराएंगे, टस से मस ना होंगे हम। दुनिया का नारा जमे रहो, मंजिल का इशारा जमे रहो, दुनिया का नारा जमे रहो, मंजिल का इशारा जमे रहो। ये वक्त के कभी गुलाम नहीं, इन्हें किसी बात का ध्यान नहीं, तितली से मिलने